Hey guys, so I wanted to just film a really quick get ready with me. So I have just done like a mini facial using this radio frequency machine I have. So I have like a bit of a gel left on my face, so I'm just gonna take that off using a makeup wipe, which I don't really use wipes anymore, but I really like partially rubbed it off with a tissue and it didn't really come off. So this is how I'm starting. This is everyone hates wipes, but these are the Johnson's ones, moisturising, so feel really nice, kind of leave a good base for me to start. Cool. So then for moisturiser, I'm gonna go in with my Weleda Skin Food, and it like goes so far, this stuff. And sometimes I quite like it when I have a bit of a slipperier base, like from that moisturising wipe, just because it kind of helps move this around. So just bring that all the way down, just to get a really nice moisturised glowy base. I'm gonna go in then, if I can undo the lid, with my RMS Beauty concealer. This is in shade 11, and I'm just gonna pat that under my eyes to sort of get rid of any darkness, and whatever's left on my finger I'm just gonna sort of bring it up through my brow. So as you guys can see, that just gives like a super skin-like look. Now because I'm so shiny with the lights, it's a bit like, doesn't look very covered up, but it does in my mirror. So I thought I'd just move you guys, because this might give you a better perspective with a bit of daylight and my lights here, so you can sort of see I have got some redness through my cheeks just from doing that radio frequency. So yeah, this is just blends in really nice. I really like the feel of it. It's super skin-like, the texture's so creamy and blendable, and it is actually buildable. I'd say if you used a brush, you can that's the like nice thing about it, is that you can just keep sort of patting it in to where you want a bit more coverage. Just bring it down. Then I'm gonna go in using my really messy Chanel bronzer. Then for a bit of highlight, gonna go in with my RMS Beauty luminizer in, I think it's Living, it says Living luminizer, so I don't know how many shades they have, but this is like a really nice dewy highlight look. So that just adds to the dew. So this is how we're looking at so far. This will calm down. The redness in my cheeks should go down. Actually doesn't look that red in real life, but on camera it does look very pink, but nice and dewy, and it actually doesn't really feel oily. But I will go in with a bit of my Fenty powder and just go through my T-zone. So I'm just going to take this beautiful brush from Too Faced. I'm just going to dip in, tap this off, and then just sort of go and pat in that powder. I'm just going to take this clean spoolie and just brush through my brows and lashes before I go in with some mascara and probably some soap for my brows. Gonna spritz my little brush and then go into my pairs soap like so. Just pick up a load on the brush. I'm just gonna go in and brush through my brows. And I'm gonna be really quick with my brows. I'm gonna take a bit of my bushy brow from the Brow Club, like last time, and I'm just gonna take a tiny bit on my hand, and I just want to sort of fill in those same areas as always, which is the ends for me. It through to add a bit more definition, like so. I was trying to find my freckle stencil, but I can't find it, so I'm gonna use my big and bushy and just sort of go over my freckles, like you can see, just with this tiny brush, just to sort of enhance them. Yep, there we go. So this stuff I'm pretty sure is waterproof, so this should be really good. They actually do sell a freckle thing. I just haven't bought it yet, so I thought, been thinking about trying this for a while, and it looks good, guys. I'm just gonna go back in with a bit of my powder just to run over those spots I feel like I've got oily in out of nowhere. Awesome. I guess just sort of set my freckles. So this is the finished look. No, it's not. So this is my outfit of the day. Just this long sleeve black t-shirt, satin midi skirt, my baby, and these mules from ASOS. So thanks for watching, guys.